Number theory is the study of the integers, these numbers here. Now, that may seem like a pretty simple set, but it's actually got unbelievably deep properties. And it also happens to be one of the oldest branches of mathematics. Euclid mentioned some number theory properties in his Elements all the way back in the 4th century BCE. And today, it's still a field that's under development with a lot of unanswered questions. Now, what makes this interesting to us here in a discrete math class is that its concepts range from highly complex and sophisticated down to things so simple you could explain them to a 5th grader. Things like divisibility and least common multiples, or was also called the least common denominator. These are taught every year in elementary schools. And we're going to take advantage of that as a way to introduce basic methods of proving mathematical concepts, mathematical theorems. Now, number theory, it also has practical importance in fields that are particularly relevant to computer science. And we're going to see some examples of these in areas like computer algorithm design and cryptography.